morning dear student, welcome to our maths class. We were doing exercise 6.6. 3 question we have already done. Today we will start question number 4. In fourth question they have given simplify. Using this formula we have to simplify these statements using this formula. The formula they already have given us. Now see the statement. They have given 82 square minus 18 square. Compare with the statement. They have given a square minus b square. It means this is a, this is a b. Okay. Now what we have to do? This is given. It means a square minus b square is given to us. Now what we have to do? One time we have to add and one time subtract. It means a plus b and a minus b. Now do this one. 82 plus 18. 82 minus 18. Okay. Because there is a minus b, a plus b. One time addition, one time subtraction. If there is no sign between brackets, so it means multiply. When I add 82 plus 18, I got 100. 82 minus 18, I got 64. Multiply it, it becomes 6400. Okay, this is my answer. When you do square of it and square of it, then subtract, you got the same answer. But we have to use the identity. Okay, same as this one question. 197 into 203. We have to find common number between these two. Okay, here is 197, here is 203. What is between them? Between them is 200. So can I write it? 200 minus 3, 200 plus 3. 200 minus 3, 200 plus 3. Now a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Okay. Now square of this is 2 2s are 4. 2 zeros are there after multiplication. 4 zeros are here and 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now my answer is when I got subtraction, you can subtract from third class. You are doing subtraction, so you can do it easily. 9 9 9 1. Okay, this is your answer. And same as fifth question, same they have given simplify in fifth question. They said simplify. First question is 58 square minus 42 square by 16. 58 square minus 42 square by 16. It means see the statement. One term square minus second term square. It means a square minus b square. Formula is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, by comparing I got this formula. So solve it. One time addition, one time subtraction. So 58 plus 42. 58 minus 42. Below side is 16. When I add, I got 100 here, and when I subtract, I got 4 here. So I got 16 here. So here is 16. By subtraction, I got 16 here. Okay, 16 cancel with 16. So my answer is 100. Same formula is used in fifth all parts. Okay, now sixth part. Find x. Find x. They have given 4x is equal to 52 square minus 48 square. We have to find value of this one x. 4 into x they have given. So look at the statement a square minus b square. Same. Now what we will do? We will add one time and we will subtract one time. 52 minus 48. Here is 4x as it is. Okay, 4x. Now when I add it, I got 100 into. When I subtract, I got 4. Okay. Now 4x is equal to 400. There is multiplication between 4 and x. When 4 goes in this side, it becomes for division. So I got x value is 100. Okay, by cutting x is equal to 100. What I have done, I compared the formula and got my value a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, and then solve. And then I might find value x. Other parts you will solve by yourself. They are very easy questions. Now 7. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 20, find x square plus 1 by x square. Okay. Now look at statement. If x plus 1 by x is 20, they have given the value x plus 1 by x. I have to find square value. So from this I come to know that scaling I have to do. So scaling on both sides. On which? This one. Scaling on both sides, x plus 1 by x square is equal to 20 square. On both sides I have done scaling. Now formula for this is scaling of whole, a plus b square. Formula is a square plus b square plus 2a into b. Okay, this is the formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is ab. 20 square is 400. Now x square plus 1 by x. I want value of this term. 2 cancel with x, cancel with x. When this 2 goes on this side, this is a plus sign, but when it goes on this side, it becomes 400 minus 2, 398. So I got the value of x square plus 1 by x. Other parts you will solve by yourself till 12th question. All questions are same. Okay. 13th question is find value of 16x square plus 24x plus 9, where they have given x is equal to 7 by 4. So put value of x everywhere 7 by 4. Here is 7 by 4 square plus 24. In place of x I have written 7 by 4 plus 9. Scaling means this term is 2 times. So 16 into 7 below 4 into 4 plus 24 into 7 by 4 plus 9. Now 4 4s are 16. 16 cancel with the 16. Next is 4 1s are 4. 4 6s are 24. Now do calculation. 7 7s are 49. Here is 6 7s are 42 plus 9. When I add all, I got my answer 100. Okay. Now next is exercise 6.7. In 6.7 only one formula is here, that is related to x plus a, x plus b. Earlier we have done the both terms are same, a plus b. But in this, first term is same, second term is not same. So I come to the formula x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay. By calculation I got this formula. You can solve it and got this formula. We directly use this formula in the 6.7 exercise first and second part. Okay. Formula is x square plus a plus b. X like term is with them, a and b, product of a and b. Okay. Now first sum is exercise 6.7. First sum is find x plus 4 and x plus 7. Okay. Now this is x, a and b. So I will write the formula x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square, a plus bx plus ab. Okay. Now use the formula x square. It means x square plus a plus b, 7 plus 4. With them x is there, like term is with them, plus ab, product of 4 and 7. So add now x square plus 7 plus 4, 11x, 7 4s are 20. This is the answer. Okay. Now if one term is in negative form, like as if there is a negative, this type of statement, earlier there both are of plus sign, but if there is minus, what we will do? Same as x square plus a plus b. Now there is minus, we will do minus x. Product of 4 into minus 7. We will keep minus sign with it. So x square. 4 minus 7 minus 3x. Plus minus minus 28. Okay. You can solve all the question of first part by yourself. Now second question. Evaluate. By this formula we have to evaluate 102 into 106. How we apply formula? Firstly break it. It's a 102. It means 100 plus 2. I can write it 100 plus 2. 106. 100 plus 6. Look at this one. X, A, B. first term is same, second is not same. So formula we are using x square plus AB with this x, it means same term, 100 plus 2 into 6. 100 square is 2 zeros were there, now it's 4 zeros, plus 6 to 8, 800 plus 6 2s are 12. When I added, I got my answer 10,812. Okay. Now next one question I will solve again for you from this 103 into 96. This is question number 5th. 103 into 96. Now I can write it 100 plus 3 and 100 minus 4. One is of plus and one is of minus. 100 square x square plus a plus b. There is minus, so I will write a minus x. It means 100 and product of both 3 into minus 4. Square of this is 1000 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 1, so it's 100 again. 1 into 100, 100 minus 12. Okay, now do subtraction. 1000 minus 100. I got my answer 0099. Now subtract 12 from it. 9900 minus 12. Here comes 8889. So this is my answer. You can solve other parts by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.